cloudBRAT, organize anything. cloudBRAT.com. Making a link. A very important thing to learn, as you will be making links quite a bit within your cloud. Let's go to our cloud. Go to the page I want to make the link on. Alright, open the editor. Now, let's make a link to a YouTube video. You can make a link in one of two ways. You can either select text you already have on the page, or place the cursor down and just click the Make a Link icon. Then you can type your text to display in here. We prefer to select text we already have on the page, as it seems a bit easier to do. So I'm going to select this text right here, click the link icon. You'll see the text to display is already in there. So for the URL, we want to go to the YouTube page. We want to get the link. Click the share link on YouTube, copy back to our cloud, and paste in our link. All right, now we can have this link open in a new window or the current window. Usually when you're linking to an external website, you always want it to open in a new window, or you will leave your own cloud. Then you can select a class. By selecting a class, an icon will follow the link. We have an external link icon, just a default icon, an internal link icon, a YouTube link, a Wikipedia link, Twitter link, Instagram link, Reddit link, Amazon link, or none. I'm just going to keep it on the default external link for now. Save. And there we have our link to our video. If I save the page and click on the link, it'll take us to that video. Let's make another link. Click on the editor. Highlight the text you want to make a link out of. Let's make it to another website, this Snap Japan website. Go to the page we want to make the link to. Select the URL, copy it back to our website, click the link icon, paste in the URL. Everything's fine. Click save, and there we go. We have a new link. This link is a YouTube video, and I want to change the icon to a YouTube icon. So I can place the cursor there, click the link icon to edit it, click the class drop down, and select YouTube link. Save. And now we have a YouTube link icon. You can also edit the link by putting the cursor within the link. And say you want to remove the link, you can just click this remove link icon. All done. And be sure to click save. Let's make a link to another page within our own cloud. So let's edit this page and type some text just for the fun of it. Link to the Osaka page. And save. What I want to do is go to the Osaka page. To get the link of the Osaka page, you click this drop down here and click the link icon. It's going to give you the link of the page. Copy to clipboard. Now let's go back to our Shinjuku page. Edit the page. Highlight the text we want to make the link to. Click the link icon and paste the URL in there. Now this time we don't want to open in a new window. We want to open in the current window. External link? Nope. We want a different icon here. We want internal link. All right, save. You'll notice the internal link, the arrow goes in instead of out. Save. And there we go. A new link to our Osaka page. Okay, that covers making links in your cloud. It's a pretty simple process, and after you do it a couple times, it'll be just secondhand for you. cloudBRAT, organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.